Recipe number 2, using the Instant Pot, and I'm also gonna be using my KitchenAid mixer with the spiralizer attachment to make some zucchini spaghetti with some delicious sweet sausages. I can't wait. And here it is. Here's a spiralizer attachment on the KitchenAid in action. I use this machine a lot. Okay, so I have my sweet sausage here, and I'm not gonna use it in the casing. Okay, so I have my sweet sausages here, and I'm not gonna use the casing. I'm gonna take them out of the casing. So for this recipe on the Instant Pot, I'll be using sauté, and I've already started preheating it, so it's already hot and it's ready. So my oil is hot, got my sausages, and I'm just gonna take it out of the casing. Kind of like, ooh, sizzling already. Nice and hot, it's been preheated. So here goes all the sausage. I've just been breaking it up. This is gonna be the base, the sauce for the zucchini spaghetti. So now the sausage is nice and brown, and I'm gonna set it aside to cook all the other veggies in that sausage juice. So now I wanna add some orange pepper, onion, a red onion, and garlic. Some salt, some pepper, and now I'm gonna add some white wine. Now that I has the white wine, I'm going to pour in the zucchini so it can cook in that steam. Just toss it about. Some more salt, some pepper, some tomatoes. Yummy. And now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna seal it and steam it for a little bit so that the noodles can cook. I set it to steam, and just for like maybe 5 minutes, and then once it's done, I will add the sausages back to the pot. I'm gonna finish it off with some pecorino romano. And excuse the baby in the background because this is a real house. And here it is, some zucchini noodles with some sweet sausages and peppers and onions and garlic, and of course pecorino romano cheese and some white wine. Delicious. Now we're ready for dinner, and Instant Pot recipe number 2, success.